I've been a chef at Sandals Ocherios for almost 2 years now. It is a company that really promotes growth, and it provides opportunity for young chefs that wants to elevate and grow in their career as a chef.
Episode of Let'sTravelCaribbean.com, we're back in the water. This time, it's all about kayaking, paddleboarding, windsurfing, the Hobie Cat, and tubing. So you need to be able to swim to do all of these.
We offer guided motorcycle tours of the island on 400 and 500cc motorcycles.
You have to go hiking with the hooligans. It's the latest attraction in the western end of Jamaica, a fun way to do something good for and with the animals.
Camp Irie rounds out the activities in this section of South Coast. So you can make a day trip, a weekend trip, a week trip.
Yeah, greetings.